Good morning. It's a Sunday on 123 College Avenue. And I think that's Nicholas on the right. Who's got the blue? Whose diaper did you change this morning?
Blue one.
Come on, you got a 50-50 shot.
I think I changed Anthony.
You think? She's looking for the toes.
I can't help it.
She's looking for the toes. Where does the toe? Let's see it. There's the toe. The nail polish on the toe. Nick the nail. And George Anthony. Anthony, you got a horse? What you gonna do with that horse? You can't ride him. Is that a horse? Oh, somebody's sleepy. Nicholas. Nicholas. Dada? Are you sleepy boy? Are you gonna eat that blanket? Didn't Daddy give you breakfast? Come on, guys, let's walk. Where's your walker? Go get your walker. Go get your walker. Over there. Go get it, right there. Uh-oh. Here comes Big Brother. Good morning, Samuel Roger. What you do? Oh, don't knock over the tripod. That's big trouble. No, Samuel. Leave it right there. Don't drop it. Big trouble. Sam, you gonna go somewhere today?
Miss Aaron.
You're gonna go to Miss Aaron's?
Yeah.
Samuel, today's Sunday. You don't see Miss Aaron on Sunday, do you? Samuel, who is Miss Aaron's baby boy? Who's her son?
Mason.
Mason, that's right. You wanna go and play with your brothers?
You need to help me.
What help? You big boy. Uh-oh. Good shot, Samuel. Good shot. Samuel, no, don't throw things, because your brother could get hurt. Now he's going to eat your underwear. Samuel, climb over the couch like that. Remember how Daddy showed you? Climb over. Put your arm up. Good job. You're almost there. Samuel, you made it through the barricade. You made it through Daddy's barricade. You're amazing. This is the baby line. There's World War II Vichy line, or whatever that line was in France, separating France and Germany. Oh, got a little hiney action going on here. And of course, Mommy and me. Samuel, what are you playing? Hi, Nicholas. Uh-oh. Samuel, you better put some clothes on. Mommy gonna put you in big trouble. Samuel, where's your underwear? They're right on the floor, right underneath Nicholas. Huh? You better hide after you put your underwear on, please. Because you won't be able to hide from the wrath of Mommy. Samuel, go get your underwear right there. What's wrong, big boy? My hands. It's time to say hello. I'm so glad to meet you. Samuel. Sam, you're gonna stay home with Daddy all day if you don't get dressed. Do you want to stay with Daddy? Help him read the books?
No.
No? Well, then you better put your underwear on, please. Gotta hurry. Go ahead. Sit down there. Samuel, you can do it. Where's the label go? Label in the back, right? Samuel, sit on the couch and do it. Samuel, sit back against the couch. You can do it. Mommy thinks you can do it. Daddy thinks you can do it.
Mommy, I think I caught something super big. Do you think it could be a whale?
That's trouble.
Let me know.
Okay. Gotta go help the little boy get dressed. So, sign in later. It is September 27th, 2009, Sunday. Rainy day out, so I know we're not going to stay in the house all day, but not sure exactly what we're going to do. Samuel, there's your song. C. To show that he could swim, swim, swim. All the other sailors said, let's swim, swim, swim.
Let